Well, Sky News has been given access to Australia's distribution of the Pfizer vaccine, a challenging effort to keep the vaccine at a safe temperature. Danica Giorgio is at the DHL warehouse. And Danica, just how tightly controlled is the process there?
Well, Laura, the Pfizer vaccine needs to be stored at minus 70 degrees. So as you can imagine, that in itself is a challenge. So here at DHL, it's a real tightly controlled process to be able to distribute the Pfizer vaccine to various parts of the country. Now, upon arrival, the vaccines are stored in ultra cold fridges, but it's the packing process that really is the tough challenge. Now, this is where dry ice comes into play to be able to let the vaccines remain at that temperature. Now, temperature monitoring really is crucial here at DHL. When it is moving through the distribution chain, the vaccines are monitored through temperature devices, as you can see here from this demonstration, putting that dry ice into the package. Now, that in itself is a temperature control, making sure that it maintains that negative 70. There are also base alarms, notification mechanisms in place to ensure that it is controlled and transported thoroughly on that conveyor belt. Now, this sort of a setup is for a number of facilities that can keep it at minus 70 degrees. So, for example, hospitals. This keeps it safe throughout the whole process, and this would be used more domestically. So this would be transferred, for example, to Queensland hospitals. So quite a process here, and certainly a number of busy staffers at DHL. Now, some facilities, though, they cannot maintain that minus 70 degrees. So in that instance, as you can see here, there are gel and ice packs. So this would be for example, your smaller pharmacies, more local distribution. Gel and ice packs are used to keep it at the required temperature. Then when it reaches destination, they've got about 5 days to administer the vaccine. So, Laura, as you know, these vaccines, they're incredibly valuable. The stakes are high, but DHL, well, they've got it covered.
Yeah, it seems like it. You are well up to speed. Loving the yellow vest. It feels like an election campaign. We're not there yet. Thanks so much, Danica. Thanks for keeping us up to date. Very impressive there at DHL.